did you pay for it?
We paid $1.2 million.
How much of your own money do you have in this deal?
None.
$0. That's where he's brilliant. We talked 1.2 acquisition. What was your construction cost?
$3 million.
So you're 4.2 into the total deal. And how did you break it down? I know you're good at the numbers, so let's break down those numbers.
So when you look at an investment, right, you have investors, right, and they have a minimum expectation of return. When you look at investment, I say I won't look at a project unless my investors can achieve at least a minimum 20% internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is your total return on a project. So it's not just cash on cash return. If you put a mortgage on the property, you're paying down that mortgage every year or every month. That adds to the return because your tenants are paying down your mortgage. So that adds in return later on when you go to sell the property, which you first mortgaged the property for will be a lot less down the line when you sell it. So there's a spread there, and that's a return. So it's just not rents minus expenses and income and money invested. You also have appreciation. Over time, your rents will go up. And right now, what we're kind of looking at, potentially looking at an inflationary type period. And when you have high inflation, what happens, rents correlate with inflation and also go up.